Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Marissa Monroy. Early voting for Austin's May 1st city election begins Monday, April 19th. City voters will consider 8 propositions that would change the city code or charter. The propositions deal with a wide range of changes, which include requiring the city to enter binding arbitration with the Austin Firefighters Association when they've reached an impasse in collective bargaining negotiations, reinstating city ordinances regarding people experiencing homelessness, giving council the authority to appoint and remove the director of police oversight, changing the mayor's election year to align with the presidential election, allowing voters to rank up to 5 city council and mayoral candidates on their ballot, instituting a strong mayor form of government, adding an 11th city council district, and creating an alternative system for financing local campaigns. As you make plans to vote, review the sample ballot and find early voting locations at votetravis.com. Early voting ends Tuesday, April 27th. Polls are open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Election Day. Austin Public Health wants everyone to get vaccinated to protect yourself and your loved ones.
Is the left arm okay, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Austin Public Health wants you to get your COVID-19 vaccine when it's your turn. Check with your pharmacy or pre-register on the APH website. Make sure to help your older loved ones sign up.
You did great.
We got the vaccine because it is the safe thing to do. I can't wait to wrap my arms around my grandbabies. I haven't done that in over a year. Okay, thank you. Brings tears to my eyes.
While you wait for your turn to get the vaccine, remember to wear a mask, wash your hands, and continue to watch your distance.
Austin Public Health continues to expand vaccine appointments. While those disproportionately impacted by the virus are still prioritized, scheduled appointments are now open to child care providers, educators, and anyone 40 and older. To pre-register or schedule an appointment for the vaccine, visit austintexas.gov/COVID-19-vaccines. This year, the City of Austin will host its first virtual career expo on May 12th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. If you're looking for a job, you can connect with employers from industries of all types. Employers include government agencies, education, trade schools, temporary staffing agencies, and private sector employers with professional, technical, medical, administrative, blue-collar, and customer service job openings and internships.
I came here this morning to see what kind of opportunities that the City of Austin had to offer for someone else looking for employment. I haven't seen everything, but it looks so far there's a lot of people here, a lot of job opportunities, so it should be something good.
Join us online May 12th to virtually interact with employers through text and video chats. For more information, visit austintexas.gov/careerexpo. Circular businesses are a growing industry in Austin. They include thrift stores, repair shops, recyclers, sharing services, and any business where materials are reused, repaired, shared, and recycled instead of going to the landfill. In Austin, circular businesses provide over $1 billion to the local economy and over 6,300 jobs. They're also helping Austin reach its zero waste goal. The Economic Development Department and Austin Resource Recovery are connecting these businesses through a new series of circular meetups, a virtual networking event happening the first Tuesday of every other month. If you want to learn more about the circular economy, this month's speaker is Dr. Gary Cooper. He will discuss the role of the circular economy in combating inequality and environmental injustice, and how communities and governments can better use circular entrepreneurship. To learn more or register for either event, visit austintexas.gov/circulareconomy. If you plan on doing some gardening this spring, check out the seed library through our own Austin Public Library system. Browse the catalog of seed packets and actually check out seeds from nearly 3,000 available packets. Until the library opens its doors to the public, the seed collection is made available through email requests and curbside pickup. The Central Texas Seed Savers established the seed library, making native and locally adaptive fruits, vegetables, flowers, shrubs, and even trees available to everyone. If you produce more seeds than you need, you're encouraged to donate or return seeds to the collection for others to use. For the seed collections and gardening information, Visit library.austintexas.gov/seeds. That's it for this week's City View. Thank you for watching, Austin. Be sure to catch up on all of the latest information on atxn.tv, our social media channels, and on our dedicated webpage, austintexas.gov/COVID-19. Stay well, Austin.